Have you ever noticed the behavior of an active, happy, and free child? Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Have you ever noticed the behavior of an active, happy, free child? That little kid, that little child recklessly draws, laughs, cries, plays, dances, oblivious to what is happening in the world around it. The child easily laughs, cries, dances, plays, easily laughs between tears and dances, and it's curious, falls a lot and makes a lot of mistakes again and again, and wants to experience so many new things, so many different things, wants to hear beautiful stories, sees colors more clearly than you. Yes, that beautiful kid is very, very present. Do you know that the diamond within you, that inner child inside you, that inner self inside you, inner voice inside you, your inner child exactly like this? That little unique, so fresh and lively, and has so much enthusiasm, shows feelings clearly. When you grow up, unfortunately, you let go of your inner child. You become a liar just like others. Everyone becomes a liar. Why? Because people are liars because they don't show their true feelings. You don't show your true feelings. You're not showing your true feelings. You are not. And people hide and suppress. You know that. I want to tell you something so important. This is the cause of so many problems, the cause of all diseases. What do you think the cause of cancer? Suppressed anger is the cause of cancer. Yes. Yeah. When an active, happy child is angry, does not keep anger inside, does not suppress it, shouts, screams, it drains the energy of anger, wants to cry, cries, wants to laugh, laughs and giggles. A person who has a deep relationship with her or his inner child trusts intuitions. Lives every moment most beautiful gift God sent you on earth to experience, to evolve, to share love, to give love, to receive love. That's a true spiritual person, not doing yoga or so many things. You have to share so many things with people. You have to give love, receive love, find your inner child, your inner self, your true self, and have a beautiful connection and communicate with other people, with God, with beautiful universe, Mother Earth, sky, stars, moon, beautiful sun, beautiful moon, everything. The child inside you, the world of creativity, vitality. You should hold inner child. You have to hold inner child's hand because that child is missing. But that child is missing person that you are looking for so many years. That beautiful little child inside you. It's you, that inner self, that inner child, that inner voice. It's you. You have to find yourself. You have to find yourself, discover yourself, get to know yourself. Yes, dear unique. Be with me in this beautiful journey to get to know your true self, your inner child. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share this video with others, do a tikram, good karmas, and write a comment for me, okay? Dear unique, always remember there is only one you, only one wonderful unique. Be in the shelter of God's love, always, forever, and beyond. Love you. Bye.